If you'd like to support the channel a bit more, consider joining the Patterny membership. You'll get custom badges, special emojis, and access to members-only content. You can join through the link in the description below.